Need to transfer your Xbox Game Pass subscription to another account? Here's the quick step-by-step guide to get it done. First, sign into your Xbox account on a web browser or console. Go to the Microsoft Account Services page where your Game Pass subscription is listed. Select the Game Pass subscription and look for the option to manage or share. Microsoft now allows subscription sharing through the Home Xbox feature and the Family Sharing system. Set the new account console as your home Xbox following these steps. This automatically shares your Game Pass benefits with that account on that same console. If you want to transfer fully, cancel the recurring bill on your account, then redeem a Game Pass code or family invite on the new account. Microsoft often provides digital codes for smooth transfer. Once done, log into the new account and check the Subscriptions tab under Settings. You should see your Xbox Game Pass active and ready to use. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.